Welcome to the demonstration of my system, which is an online examination video proctoring system. As online examination has become a norm due to the COVID-19 pandemic, schools and universities has been looking for a way to tackle the issue of students cheating and plagiarizing during online examinations. Hence, the purpose of this system is to allow universities to check if the students are cheating or doing any suspicious actions when they are taking their online examinations. So now I'll be demonstrating how my system works, which contains of 5 main functions. The first one is new user registration, which is to allow the system to collect video samples from the student. The second one is the examination recording function, which is to let the system to record the students' actions and movements when they are sitting for their online examinations. The third one is the dataset classification, which is which the system will train the detection models using the video samples collected previously. The fourth one is the anomaly detection, which is to detect the students' actions and movements during their online examination session. The last function is the facial recognition function, which the system will detect if the person sitting for the examination is the student themselves. Now I'll be demonstrating the first function of the system, which is the new user registration system. The user will first have to insert their student TP number. Then the system will validate if the student's dataset has already existed within the system's database. In this case, I'm inserting a new TP number, so the system will immediately proceed to the next step. The user will be required to perform different actions for 10 seconds. The first one will be the student looking at the monitor. Then the second one will be the student looking down, which simulates the student writing on their exam paper. So once the user has finished registering, they will be directed back to the main page. Then the user will be able to use the dataset classification to train a new detection model using the video samples that they have recorded. Once the user hits the start classification button, the system will classify the data in the background. So once the classification has completed, a window will pop up. Then the user will be directed back to the main page after hitting OK. After training the models, the user will be able to use the examination recording function. This will have the system to record the students' actions during their examination session. The user will be required to insert their TP number. Then the system will validate if the student's dataset exists within the database. If the user's dataset is found, the recording will start. The user can stop the recording by pressing Q. Then they can head back to the main page by pressing the back button. After that, the user can use the anomaly detection function to have the system to detect any suspicious actions or movements in the examination video recorded. The, the actions and the actions detected and the time lapse of the video will be shown in the video as well. So once the anomaly detection has completed, the user can press OK on the pop-up window and head back to the main menu. The face recognition will perform the same procedure as well. If the person sitting for the examination is the student themselves, the class valid will be shown in the video. After the two detection functions, the results will be compiled into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. The lecturers can review the result of the detection by looking into the spreadsheet and determine if the student is cheating based on their actions and movements. In the spreadsheet, the system will list down the starting time and end time of the actions detected from the video. The results from the facial recognition will be compiled into another Excel file in the same format. All in all, this system will bring a huge impact to the sustainable development in terms of society, as it can help to maintain a much honest and knowledgeable community by preventing the students from cheating and plagiarizing during their examinations. This system will help them to cultivate an honest and genuine behavior. As the system is a software based system, it will not cause any direct impact to the economy and environment. So that's the end of my demonstration. Thank you for your time, and I hope you will have a great day ahead.